Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to split the screen on TOSHIBA Dynabook Tecra. To split the screen, just open from 2 up to 4 apps that you want to put in the split screen mode. At first I'm gonna open only 2. Now, they can be the same, but they can also be completely different apps. They just need to have an option to be resized. And now take one of the apps and you can either hover over the maximize button, then select where to put it. You can also take that app, like start dragging it and drag it to the top. Then it'll show you this bar, which will let you decide where to put it. Or you can just easily drag it to the left, to the right side to put it on the sides, or to a corner to put it in a corner. So I'm gonna put it on the left side, then it automatically asks me which app to put on the right side, and now I have them right like that. You can also resize them in this way. And then if you want to add more apps onto that, like let's open maybe the Microsoft Edge, then I can also put it in a corner. Then I'm gonna select what to put here and here. I'm gonna change that app to be on the full half. And you can also resize them like that. And even if you open 4 apps, then it'll still work. And you can also resize it here. And by the way, if you then later hover over your file explorer, or like any of the app that is in the split screen, then you'll see this group and you can easily open it. So even if you minimize these windows, you most probably will be able to later on open that group like that. But it doesn't really work the way I wanted it to, but maybe in your case it will. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.